Hello, as always, a fun snack, and today we will try to find out how to cook buckwheat correctly. So let's start the cooking process by soaking the buckwheat in water and then rinse it under cold water until the water becomes clear. To keep the aroma of the buckwheat, you can fry it for 3 to 5 minutes on a low heat. So what is the right combination for buckwheat? It would be 1 glass of buckwheat and 2 glasses of water. The question automatically arises as to how long to cook the buckwheat. So bring the water to the boil in a saucepan and cook over a low heat for about 13 to 15 minutes until the water is completely absorbed by the buckwheat. Similar to the way that rice cooks. So if you are cooking in a pot that does not boil, cook for 2 to 3 minutes longer than that. There are also a few rules for cooking. The buckwheat should not be stirred throughout the cooking process. If there is no water in the bottom of the pot, then the pot can be removed from the stove earlier. If you are afraid that the buckwheat will overcook, you can remove the pot 10 minutes earlier, cover it, and leave it to stand for 10 minutes. The buckwheat will absorb the rest of the water and will be brown and fluffy, so that your buckwheat is ready. They can always be garnished with a piece of butter or meat or freshly fried vegetables. You can also use the buckwheat to make meatballs. They make a very tasty meatloaf. As always, I wish you a delicious meal and see you next time.